Hello, welcome back to the channel. Right, this week is one for chicken lovers. We all love a bit of Kentucky Fried Chicken, and we're doing the internet sensation, and I've actually got all the ingredients and the recipe, and this is done because the great nephew of Colonel Sanders leaked it, and it is apparently very authentic. A lot of this recipe relies on the ingredients. There are lots of them. 13 ingredients, 14 including that. Well, the beer's not in the recipe, that's just for me. I'm going to cook this and then we're going to judge it after to see what it's really like. Thanks to everybody that's subscribed, and let's carry on and do this, and I'll see you in a minute. Copycat KFC. This week we're having a go at making this copycat fried chicken recipe. So let's get into it. Start by adding these ingredients into a mixing bowl. 240 grams of plain white flour, 2 teaspoons of table salt, 1.5 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1.5 teaspoons of dried basil, 4 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dry mustard powder, 3 tablespoons of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, and 1 tablespoon of MSG. This is optional. Remember, this mixture is for 3 pieces of chicken. If you want to do more chicken, just double or triple the measurements. After you've added all of these ingredients, whisk away to get them blended together. This is your coating mix for the chicken, so take care and be precise because it's important. Now you want to spray your pieces of chicken with water. This is to make sure that all the mixture clings to it. Thoroughly coat your chicken in the mixture, making sure you really get in there and ensuring that it's evenly coated. Cover your chicken. Now it's best to leave it overnight if you can, but if you're in a rush you can get away with this in 15 minutes. Now let's warm up the deep fat fryer. You want to fry your chicken in vegetable oil, and you also want to make sure that the oil is at 180 degrees Celsius. While you wait for your oil to heat up in the fryer, preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. Go back to your chicken and shake off any of the excess mixture. Place the pieces into your fryer and then give the temperature one last check before you dunk it into the vegetable oil. You want to fry the chicken for around 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once you've fried it off, it's time to put the chicken onto a wire rack before placing it into the oven to finish it off. This process will ensure it's super crispy and delicious. Whilst it's in the oven, since you got the fryer out anyway, it's a good idea to throw in some fries as a side for good measure. Now all you need to do is enjoy this, and I think you'll notice that at the end of the video, me and Jack really did. Hello, welcome back. We've cooked that and it does look really authentic. I'm just going to cut through it and taste it. We've served it up with some fries, and you can serve it up with what you like. Fries is traditional. And we've got some tomato sauce and some mayonnaise, but it's up to you. Let's just cut into this.
And I'm going to taste some too. I'm going to pick it up on my hand.
And it isn't the right temperature, we've checked it. It's too hot, Jack, far too hot. Okay, lovely crunchy coating. And
really good. Do you know what? It's actually really close to actual KFC.
That is as good as it gets. I've tried out a lot of these recipes in the past, but that is the nearest one to an authentic Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's a copycat. It's been leaked by the great nephew of the big man himself, Colonel
Yeah, I wonder how much trouble he got.
Yeah. I'll tell you.
No, it's really good. It's definitely worth trying.
Honest opinion, this is as good as you'll get to a Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, super good.
Make it. It's nice.
Yeah.
Have a chip. That's it.
The skin.
Yeah, it really is crunchy.
KFC, obviously, a lot of people go to KFC for their skin.
Yeah.
It's like the best bit of the chicken.
You know, this is never going to beat going to KFC because you just drive in or you turn up and you can get it in 5 minutes. This is going to take you 40 minutes to an hour to do. But it's a lot cheaper. This costs about £5, I think. And if you go down to Kentucky now, a bucket with all the sides is at least £20–25. It's really gone up. So make this one.
Make it at home.
Make it. You'll love this.
Copycat KFC.
Copycat KFC. Go for it. And we'll see you again next week. Please like and subscribe. The channel's doing really well. With your help, we'll really be able to.
We're almost at 700.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost. So we're doing.
Bypass the 666 because that's coming up in about an hour. So get past that and get us up to 1,000. We'd really appreciate it.
Cool.
Thanks for your filming, Jack. And we'll see you all again next week.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.